On the 2nd of April 1968, the science fiction film 2001 A Space Odyssey had its world premiere in Washington, D.C. Welcome to HistoryPod. The film was directed by Stanley Kubrick and written with science fiction author Arthur C. Clarke. Clarke's work often explored scientific and philosophical ideas about humanity's future in space, and the two worked together on both the screenplay and a related novel to depict space travel with technical realism. One of the central inspirations for the story was Clarke's short story The Sentinel, which described the discovery of an alien artefact on the moon. Production began in 1965, with Kubrick seeking to portray spacecraft and space environments in a way that reflected contemporary scientific knowledge. To achieve this, the production team developed new visual effects techniques and consulted engineers and specialists in aerospace technology. Large rotating sets were built to simulate artificial gravity, and detailed models of spacecraft were used in combination with carefully controlled camera work to create the appearance of movement in space. The film's narrative structure differed from most science fiction films of the period. It was divided into several sections, and when the film premiered on the 2nd of April 1968, reactions from critics and audiences were mixed. While some found its pace and limited dialogue unusual, others praised its visual style and ambition. Over time, the film gained a reputation as one of the most influential works in the history of science fiction cinema. The release of 2001 A Space Odyssey marked an important moment in the development of cinematic science fiction, combining large-scale visual effects with a narrative that addressed themes of human evolution, artificial intelligence, and space exploration.